You want to speak fluent English? Here's what you really need. Most adult learners think fluency is about collecting knowledge, vocabulary lists, grammar charts, textbooks. But here's the secret. English fluency doesn't live in your notebook. It lives in your mouth. Learning English is like cooking. You can read 100 recipes, memorize the ingredients, but if you never step into the kitchen, you will never make the meal. Speaking is the cooking of language learning. You can only become fluent when you practice speaking. I'm George Alex, and for over 35 years, I've been training adults to break the fear barrier and speak English naturally and fluently. If you're ready to activate the English that you already know and speak with confidence, check the link in my bio. Get in touch with me and let's do it together. One of my students, let's call her Laura, she was brilliant at grammar. She could explain the past perfect tense better than many teachers, but she froze when ordering coffee in English. Why? Because she only studied rules and did tests. She never practiced real conversation. So we started simple dialogues. Good morning. Can I have a cappuccino, please? Yes, here you go. Within weeks, she was chatting with cafe staff in English and actually enjoying it. So my tips for you: first, stop thinking fluency equals grammar. Fluency equals confidence in real conversation. So that's why you need practice. Second, use short daily dialogues. Pretend that you're in a cafe, at the airport, or at work. Practice usual phrases with simple sentences. Third, recycle phrases that you know. Can you help me? And use it in different contexts. Can you help me choose the right shampoo? Can you help me with my luggage? Can you help me with the project? What do you think of? What do you think of John? What do you think of my skirt? What do you think of this new book that I got? Fourth, don't hide behind vocabulary lists. Use the words in full sentences. Okay, you can make mistakes, but this is the way to grow and develop. Just use the language. And fifth, practice with real people whenever you can. Join our speaking sessions and practice speaking. Grammar and vocabulary are important, yes, but they are like the spices in cooking. Speaking is the actual meal. If you never use English, it always stays locked inside. Next time you buy coffee or lunch, order it in English. Don't worry if your English is perfect. You're a foreigner anyway. Then comment below and tell me how it went. I want to celebrate your progress.